Welcome back to the wheel world. Today we're diving into an absolute monster, the Modified Dodge Challenger SRT. If you thought the stock version was aggressive, wait until you see what's been done to this beast. More power, better handling, and a look that demands attention. Let's get into it. First up, the heart of this machine, the engine. This isn't your average 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI. Thanks to a larger supercharger, upgraded fuel injectors, and a custom tune, this Challenger is now pushing over 1,000 horsepower. That's right, 4-digit power. And when you step on the gas, the instant torque is enough to glue you to the seat. The upgraded cold air intake and performance exhaust make sure it sounds just as wild as it drives. Now let's talk about that aggressive stance. A full wide-body kit gives it a low-planted look, while massive 20-inch lightweight wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires provide insane grip. A custom carbon fiber splitter and an adjustable rear wing keep it stable at high speeds. And let's not forget the stunning paint job, deep black with red accents that make it look like it's moving even when it's parked. But this isn't just a straight-line monster, it can handle too. A fully adjustable coilover suspension, upgraded sway bars, and a reinforced chassis mean this Challenger hugs the road like never before. Whether you're launching from a dig or carving through corners, it stays planted and controlled. Inside, the cockpit is all business. The stock seats have been swapped out for Recaro racing buckets, wrapped in Alcantara for ultimate grip. A custom digital dash gives real-time performance data, and carbon fiber accents add a high-tech, race-inspired touch. Of course, there's a premium sound system, but honestly, the roar of the exhaust is the only soundtrack you need. Enough talk, it's time to drive. The moment you fire up the engine, it's pure aggression. The whine of the supercharger, the deep growl from the exhaust, it's a symphony of raw power. Put your foot down, and this thing launches like a rocket, pushing you back into the seat with brutal force. Shifts are crisp, handling is precise, and every second behind the wheel is pure adrenaline. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate Dodge Challenger SRT? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed this build, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic car content.